Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the EPS pre-expander machine is equipped with a variable frequency mixing motor at the bottom to ensure more uniform foaming. Inside the electrical control cabinet, a frequency inverter is installed to control the combined motor speed, with an adjustable range from 40 to 60. How does this system work? As shown here, the inverter automatically adjusts the motor speed based on the operating condition. Under normal operation, the motor runs at 60. When the machine enters the heating stage, the speed is reduced to 40, allowing the material to rotate slowly and evenly during heating. This controlled and stable rotation significantly improves density uniformity during the foaming process, ensuring consistent and reliable product quality. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.